Hello, my name is Mr. P. I'm your math man, Mr. P for Math 050. Basically, we talking about the Cartesian plane, the XY axis. So basically, the vertical direction is the Y axis, and the horizontal is the X axis. And the way you write your points is just remember the alphabet. X come before Y, so it's a parenthesis, an X, whatever the number is for X, and comma, and whatever the number is for Y, and then a parenthesis after that. And the way the quadrants go is four. It's broken up into four quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes counterclockwise. So that's how the count goes. So quadrant 1 would be where both X and Y are positive. And then it goes counterclockwise at it. So 2 will be to the left, then underneath, then over to the right, underneath. So the origin is dead in the middle, and that's where 0 and X, 0 for X and 0 for Y is. So the point 0, 0 would be called the origin. So this would be the X axis, and this is the Y axis. So if you were finding points, so if you was looking for points, suppose we was trying to find out what point A is. Well, that's X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Y is 1, 2, 3. And so 6, 3 would be the point at A. So that's how you would locate a point. So you got to know how to do both. You got to know, given a point, where is it located, and if they give you a location, what you name it. So is what you got to be able to do. So you got to be able to do those two parts whenever you're dealing with this Cartesian plane business. So all the points up here, you notice that all the points, X is a positive, Y is a positive. So everything up here is both of the numbers going to be positive, right? So the X's are negative and the Y's are positive. So that means the X's, everything up here, the X's are going to be negative and the Y's are going to be positive. Just like this point 3, negative 3, 5, which is B, the letter B. And just like this area down here, the X's are negative and the Y's are negative. So it means this point C, both numbers are going to be negative. In this case, negative 3, negative 2. And then in this area over here, the X's are positive and the Y's are negative. So that means positive X, Y is negative. So in this case, 3 comma negative 2, right? Which is point D right here. So we got this extra XY chart here, and I forgot to put the X and the Y on here to kind of help you out. But we already know the Y direction is this way, the X direction this way. So what point is S here? Well, that'll be 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be the point 2, 6. So that's what we'll go right there, the point 2, comma 6, right? So let's fix that. So in that area right there, this will be, and you will write it 2, comma 6. So that's that point. And this point looks like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'll be negative 6, comma 3. Remember, the X's are negative, Y's are positive in this region. So let's just do a little. So X's are negative, Y's are positive in these points. And these points, both X and Y are positive. And in these points, the X's are negative and the Y's are positive points. And on this area, the X's are positive and the Y's are negative. So that's how all the points get denoted. So that's your Cartesian plane lesson. You got to know how to plot the point. You got to know how to label it. And this is your Math 050 lesson for section 1.5. Math 050, right? So Math 050. This is a Math 050 lesson from section 1.5. Take care. You have a nice day and be safe out here with COVID-19 out here. Peace out.